That hailstorm gave us a great opportunity to pass on some great savings to our customers. Like this Camaro convertible, we can discount $5,000 off MSRP.
I can't even see any damage on it. And there's plenty more like that one with slight hail damage in stock.
Well, somebody's going to get this cruise for just $16,268.
That's low, but I'm going to offer this Silverado for $10,000 under MSRP.
You're such a show-off.
At Wilson County Motors, value and selection is our family tradition. Visit us online at wilsoncountymotors.com.